Today we will be showing you how to use the Dance Online Dance and Video Database. To begin, we're going to start at the library's main page. We're going to scroll down to Library Resources, and we're going to click on Databases by Subject. We're going to scroll and we're going to find Dance, and we're going to open that up, and we're going to select Dance in Video. Alright, Dance Online Dance and Video is a wonderful resource with more than 742 videos encompassing 900 hours of dance-based content. So, today we're going to access this content to search, and we're going to search for the Nutcracker. So we're going to put it into our search box, and it's going to return 23 videos that have referenced or are about the Nutcracker. I'm going to scroll up, and I like this one from the Royal Opera House, and I kind of want to see the details, so you're going to click here where it says See Details, and it's going to tell you all about the details. It tells you about the choreography, it tells you about the description, it tells you about the amount of time. So this is the one I want to watch. So we're going to go and we're going to click, and it is going to open up and it will show you the video. So the video will begin playing for you. In addition to being able to see the video, you can have a full screen view. You can also look up transcripts, and it will give you a transcript from the beginning to the end. You may also search details, and it will provide an abstract, release date. It will talk about performers. It will share producer, duration, publication type, field of interest, discipline, copyright, and other things. You may also look up clips if they are available, and you see that there are 2 clips available for the chocolate dance and tea dance. You may share, so you may decide that you want to share this with someone, so you can copy a permalink, or you can embed that code in something that you're writing. And you may also have citations, so it allows you to cite in MLA, APA, Chicago A or B format. And once you decide your citation style, you can copy that citation style and embed it in your paper. So there you have it. Dance Online Dance and Video. It is a wonderful resource, and we hope that you take advantage of it. And as always, happy searching.